Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, we're talking about what people neglect in their fitness journeys. Usually people are pretty good at working out in their fitness journey, but then forget all of the other things that are very important and that will actually help you see the progress from your workouts. This applies to beginners, to people who have been working out for a long time. Sometimes we just neglect certain things that we definitely shouldn't, but I'm here today to tell you what they are and make sure that you are doing them. So a pretty obvious one is neglecting nutrition. It can be hard to eat clean all the time. A rule I like to follow is the 80-20 rule. So 80% of the time you're eating healthy, nutritious foods that are like minimally processed, and the other 20% of the time is when you can kind of have your treats and your little snacks that help with any cravings or anything like that. So yeah, 80-20 rule has definitely helped me stay consistent because you don't need to go all in on nutrition and get burnt out. That's very common, and like you don't want to feel deprived or anything. So 80-20 rule is a very good balance, and if you're new to eating like healthy, try the 80-20 rule, see how it feels for you. But yeah, with not prioritizing your nutrition, you're kind of working out for nothing, because your nutrition is what fuels your body for your workouts, and it helps you like recover from your workouts. So if you're eating things that have no nutritional value, you're really not going to see the results that you want. You may feel really tired, just exhausted. Your body will feel run down. You want to make sure you're fueling your body with lots of protein. You want to be making sure that you're eating minimally processed foods, and you want to make sure that you're getting lots of micronutrients in there. So really I encourage you to try to pay attention to what you're eating, because you're putting in all this effort into working out. Why not see the results from it? Like essentially you're doing it all just for nothing, just to stay the same. So if you want to actually see the results, you need to pay attention to your nutrition. If you need any help with that, go to the link in my description. I am an online nutrition coach and a fitness coach as well. I'll also link some nutrition videos in the description as well that I have done. So another thing that is often neglected in fitness journeys, this could be for beginners who are like really into their fitness journey, is not taking rest days. You need rest days in order to recover your muscles, because when you're working out, you're breaking down that muscle. So your body needs time to rest and repair that muscle to eventually get stronger and like more defined, more toned. You need to be taking your rest. I would suggest taking rest days at least twice a week. I see some people only taking one, but honestly I think you should take 2 rest days a week. Fit them into your schedule however you need. You don't need to take them both in a row. I like to take my rest days on the weekends, but sometimes I need to switch up my schedule and that doesn't work out, and that's okay. As long as you're getting like 2 rest days, and that is good. Along with resting, you need to make sure you're getting enough sleep. This is very neglected, especially if you have to wake up for work or anything. You need to be getting your sleep. This is just so important. It's how your body functions. It helps your body recover as well. Without sleep, you'll be drained, and you just really need to get enough rest. It helps so many processes in your body. Sleep is almost more important than like actually exercising. Like you really need to get sleep. Try to aim for 7 to 9 hours, at least 7. That's like the minimum, and if you can get more, get more. Something that I think people should do is track their progress, like progress photos, seeing how their clothes fit them, not relying on the scale, but just tracking your progress in ways that you can compare how far you've come, because when you're in a fitness journey, you can become distracted and think you're not making any progress because the changes come over time, so you just kind of get used to what you're looking like. But if you look back at old pictures you have of yourself, your pictures will look different. Or like try to put on older clothes, like they may fit different, and you'll be able to see the changes, and it's just really rewarding, and it helps you stay motivated and disciplined with your workouts. And the last thing that is so underrated in a fitness journey is mobility. just neglecting it completely happens a lot. And without mobility, like, you can't do lifts correctly. Like, if you don't have any ankle or hip mobility, like, your squats are not going to be great, and you want to be able to do things properly with proper form and just like prevent injuries as well, and just feel better day to day. When you're more mobile, you will notice a difference, I promise you that. So just taking time to warm up before your workout, cool down after your workout. So before your workout, you should do active or dynamic stretching, so things like leg swings, arm swings, stuff that is movement. And like after your workout, you want to do static stretching, which is holding a stretch for at least 30 seconds. So you're actually like really breathing into that stretch, holding it for a period of time. If you're a person that has trouble taking rest days, you can do an active mobility rest day for one of your rest days. So just going to the gym and working on mobility exercises. I'll link some videos down below that I've done for mobility exercises, but do stuff like that. And it's helping your body recover, working on little things that you might like not hit in your actual workouts. Working on stabilization muscles is great. Just really moving through those joints and stretching out those muscles is so important. And yeah, it will just help you prevent injury and just improve your workouts in day-to-day life. So those are all the things that I have today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!